Hey, hi and welcome back. I hope that you are enjoying this training. So till now we have completed 3 modules and this is basically the 4th module of this training, and this module is all about PCB design. Okay. So in this module we are going to complete the entire design of our PCB and it will be ready for the manufacturing. Alright. So like previous modules, again we are going to cover this module in step-by-step manner, and I'm sure you will definitely enjoy this module. Okay, so that being said, now let's start with the first topic of this module, which is about PCB design. So now let me tell you what you're going to learn in the videos covered in this topic. So the first video is about introduction to PCB layer stackup. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the layer stackup of our PCB. We are actually going to use a 2-layer PCB, and in this video I'm going to discuss the different layers which are actually present in the layer stackup. Okay, so this video is actually going to be about all the layers which are present in the PCB. Then the next video is about introduction to DXF file. So DXF actually stands for design exchange format. So in this video I'm going to talk about the DXF file, and we will see what's basically the purpose of DXF file in case of PCB design. Okay, so again this particular video is actually very important and we will discuss every single thing regarding this DXF file in detail in this video. Then the next video is about components placement planning. So in this particular video we are actually going to do the planning of component placement. So in this video we are actually going to make the decision where the power supply section will be placed, where 7-segment display section will be placed, where motor driver section will be placed. So all those decisions we are going to do in this particular video, and also I will give you the reason why we have placed a particular section in the particular part of the PCB. Okay, so all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about components placement. So I have divided this particular video in 4 parts. So in these 4 parts we are actually going to place the different sections, the components of different sections like power supply section, RGB LED section. So likewise there are different sections on our hardware which you already know. So in this 4-part series we are actually going to place the components of different sections, okay, on their respective position. Then the next video is about layout design, and again I have divided this particular video layout design in 7 different parts. So in this 7 parts we are going to discuss this step-by-step approach to do the layout of all the sections which are present on our hardware. Okay, so every single thing regarding the layout design we are going to discuss in this 7-part series. Okay, then the next video is about introduction to ULP. So ULP actually stands for user language program, and there are actually some scripts in Eagle software, and by running those scripts we can actually do some kind of changes in the layout design or in schematic design. Okay, so what are those scripts and what's basically the purpose of those scripts, and which scripts are important when we deal with the layout design, all those things we are actually going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, after that the next video is about introduction to commands in Eagle. Okay, so again there is actually one feature which is provided by Eagle software, which is command feature. And with the help of this particular feature, we can give command and we can select certain options. For example, if you have to move the component, then instead of selecting the icon of move, you can actually give the command for the move option, and you can execute that particular operation. Okay, so again, how to give the commands and what are the different commands and how to use those commands, all those things we are actually going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, so that's how basically this particular topic is structured, and these are the different videos that we are going to cover in this topic. And this topic is again very important from layout design point of view, and every single information that I'm going to share in this topic is going to be a lot helpful to you in your professional life. Okay, so as always, listen to this particular topic, all the videos covered in this topic carefully. Alright, so that's what I wanted to tell in this video. Now in next video we will start with the first point, which is about introduction to PCB layer stackup. Okay, so I will see you in the next video now.